Catalytic converter low efficiency is honestly one of those car problems that sounds like it belongs in a mechanic's fever dream. Your check engine light comes on and suddenly your mind is calculating the percentage chance your wallet is about to get lighter by $1,000. Basically, your catalytic converter's job is to scrub the nastier pollutants from your car's exhaust. So when your car's computer flags low efficiency, it means it's not doing its job. The catch? It might not even be the converter's fault. So unfair, right? Step 1 is classic. Plug in an OBD-II scanner. Actually, you can buy one for $20 and use your phone as the monitor. Check for codes like P0420 or P0430. If you see those, that's the car saying, hey, I think my catalytic converter is slacking off. Here's the thing. A ton of people think they have to swap out the whole converter immediately, but that's basically tossing money into a random volcano. The sensor upstream and downstream from the converter, O2 sensors, love to fail first, like clockwork. You can test if those O2 sensors are the actual culprits with a multimeter, or, if you're feeling fancy, with live data on your OBD-II app. A healthy upstream sensor jumps values constantly. If it's stuck or laggy, that's a problem even before you blame the cat. People get frustrated because, let's face it, a good catalytic converter can cost upwards of $800 to $1,400, especially in places like California or my city, Portland. Half the time, people just clean or replace the sensors, and boom, problem solved for $70 instead. If you drive a lot of short trips or your car burns oil, you're basically giving your catalytic converter a slow, asphyxiating death. Oil, coolant, and unburnt gas all clog the precious metals inside. Suddenly, you're losing efficiency, and also, fun fact, horsepower. I get a lot of questions about those catalytic cleaner fuel additives. Here's my take. Once the converter is really clogged, no bottle of liquid magic is saving it. Pro tip, they sometimes help if things are minor, especially if your emissions test is coming up soon. The most tragic part is when people in a panic replace the catalytic converter, but the real gremlin was a leaky injector or worn spark plugs. The new cat dies young and you're out double the money. Painful, but so common. If you do have to replace the catalytic converter, get the right one. Aftermarket units can be cheap, yeah, but some just don't last or pass emissions. Double whammy. OEM costs more, but think of it as a 10-year investment in not failing your state inspection. A super underrated move? Checking for exhaust leaks before or near the converter. Even a tiny rust hole can throw off those O2 sensor readings, giving you the dreaded low efficiency code. Mechanics love billing for new parts, but a $20 patch can fix it. So if you see that low efficiency code, don't panic, and definitely don't Google the price of a new Prius converter. Take a breath, check sensors, fix the cause, and save yourself from giving your bank account a catalytic conversion of its own.